Welcome. I'm Eleanor Silverstein, and today I have the pleasure of being here with Roger Russell and Jeff Haller, who will be teaching at our upcoming Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference 2025. And their name of their workshop is Why Dinosaurs Don't Have Heels and Judo Experts Move from Their Pelvis. Roger, tell us, why don't dinos have heels?
Well, there's two lines of evolution between mammals and dinosaurs. And way back when they split up, neither animal had heels. In the way we have it, that means their calcaneus is behind their lower leg. And the dinosaurs kept it that way and walked differently. And mammals developed a completely different way of locomotion, which is coupled with their entire skeleton, their muscular, and their brain. And we'll be talking about how that makes a difference in the way the judo masters move from their pelvis, because it still has something to do with the way they use their back legs, so to say, and human beings, their legs, and move forward and organize that together with their breathing and their balance and many things like that.
See, the thing that's so important about what Roger's saying is that for us as Feldenkrais practitioners, Roger gives us the background, the scientific background that supports this work. My work would not be nearly as sophisticated if I hadn't had years and years and years of conversations with Roger. My work in this training is to help you understand functionally how to support the statement that Roger just made, and I can do that.
Okay. And just know that these two have been building this up for years. Roger first taught the idea of this thinking about the calcaneus in Amherst, Massachusetts, at the conference there. And then we went to Amherst College, where we went into their little museum room where you opened up the drawers and pulled out the first little mammal that lived underground that had the calcaneus. And then we met again in Washington, D.C., where we went to the Museum of Natural History. And so this is so huge. This is something everybody should understand. And when you have two people together, like Roger and Jeff, teaching this, you're going to get a lot. So
Let me just extend that one sentence or two. It's important to see that the Feldenkrais lessons are grounded in the evolution of the human being, and that goes back hundreds of millions of years. And so that makes the lessons very reliable on how they work.
And the
exactly.
specificity with which we help a person understand how to function creates the conditions by which they can work.
Okay.
It's, yeah.
Thank you both for your
That's the short
brilliance
version.
and genius. See, that's the short version. We could talk for hours on this. Thank you both and bless you.